G'day everyone, I'm Jake Phillips, Breed Development Officer at Angus Australia. Thanks for joining us for our final module of the Stock Agents Toolkit, which is taking a look at selecting your next Angus bull, and in particular the Selecting Bulls Guide developed by Angus Australia. This easy to read, gloss, informative brochure is a one-stop shop for discussing the points to have with your clients. Let's take a quick look inside. The Selecting Angus Bulls module provides simple points to consider, including setting your breeding objective, selecting a seed stock breeder, understanding the non-genetic influences on an animal's appearance and their performance, as well as understanding TACE EBVs and indexes, and also how to use the TACE information to help make a decision. Considering genetic conditions is also a part of the Selecting Bulls Guide, as well as a bull breeding soundness exam and animal health information, and additional criteria such as the animal's temperament, pedigree and other traits such as type, coat scores and other traits important to your client's program. In summary, when looking at Angus bulls with your clients this breeding season, the following checklist provides some reminders about the points to consider discussing. Firstly, establish a clearly defined breeding objective. And if bull selection involves the purchase of bulls, identify the seed stock breeder or breeders from which the bulls will be sourced. You should be looking for a breeder that produces cattle that are in line with your client's production system and will be offering bulls that will meet their breeding objective. You could then consider the TACE information of the bulls that have been made available and any of the genetic condition status results of the bulls to ensure that there are no unnecessary or unwanted problems that may occur further down the track. You could then also consider the bull health status, including any semen test results, to ensure that the bull is fit and able and best placed to pass on the best genetics to your client's cow herd when they are needed. And importantly, do not get distracted by the aesthetic features or the influence of the non-genetic factors on the appearance and performance of the bulls. Some of the key take-home messages from the Stock Agents Toolkit for me have been things like the genetics and the environment both have a key part to play in the performance of cattle. And it's important to keep in mind that much of the difference in the appearance of a bull can be put down to the environment. And what we are really after is his true breeding value, which is actually mainly controlled by his genetic merit. There is also a comprehensive amount of information in Angus sale catalogues, and by also including online sale catalogues to help find the right size for your clients, you can search, filter, exclude and create a short list of bulls worth further inspection. There are several decision support tools available to assist you to find the right size for your clients, and two we have looked at in detail are EBVs and selection indexes. Estimated breeding values are an accurate tool used all over the world, with a tremendous amount of data being analysed to produce each EBV. And the EBV describes the difference in the performance expected in the progeny from that sire. DNA technology is assisting producers to provide a quality assurance step in pedigree recording by offering sire and parent verification. DNA is also contributing to the uptake of genomics, giving a higher accuracy to EBVs much earlier in the animal's life, as well as identifying those individuals carrying recessive genetic disorders. I've also learnt that to maximise the amount of profit received per cow join, it's worth considering the target market and defining a breeding objective to ensure that the client captures the 3 to 5 traits of most importance for their business. And by utilising tools such as EBVs, we can make real gains in production traits of importance. We've had insight into the Angus Select feature of the Angus website and shown 3 ways to find animals on the Angus database, as well as how to sign in and sign up for the best and most comprehensive search results available through the Angus Australia website. And we've also seen the proof from the ASBP that EBVs do align nicely with the expected differences in progeny, indicating that time spent reviewing the genetic merit of individuals and of the broader cow herd is time very well spent. and this proves that the Angus breed has a range of genetics available to enable real production gains in traits important to your client. If you're a stock agent having these conversations with your clients, we want to thank you for working with us and continuing to help drive genetic gain and make breeding beef cattle more profitable for this generation and the next. Please, if we can ever do anything to assist, don't hesitate to give Angus Australia a call. We have a dedicated regional team of breed development officers here to help you understand the tools available and equip you with everything that you need to know to add the most value to the conversations that you're having with your clients. For more information on anything that you've seen in the Stock Agents Toolkit, please visit the Angus Australia Education Centre located on the Angus Australia website for more information. Well, it's time to hit the road. We've got a bull sale to get to, but thanks for joining us while we've been unpacking the Stock Agents Toolkit.